Hi everyone, we're here at John Sadler's Auto Repair. I just posted a video about the rear brakes after Firestone Complete Auto Service worked on the 2008 Honda Pilot. And I got to thinking, I'm just showing you how bad it is, you know. So you're probably thinking, oh, that guy's just lying, he made this up, whatever. So I made another one, I put the new rotor on, I got the dial indicator set up again, and now I'll show you the actual difference, so then you'll know it's not a fluke, okay? So here's our new brake rotor. I still haven't got the plug for that yet. I probably won't get that till tomorrow, I just found out. But we have our dial indicator set up again. And it has two screws just hold the rotor onto the hub. But you want to put at least 3 lug nuts, and you put them like a triangle like this, and you snug them down a little bit, and that make sure the rotor's all the way flat. Okay. So get a little backlight there. We're right next to 0 there. So we got almost exactly 0. And see, it's not having that binding feeling when it turns anymore. It's just, well, I don't have the caliper on, but that's a big difference from 0.08 of an inch to 0. Maybe 1/4 of a thousandth or something, you know. So that's what you're looking for, is to have it, you know, under 3. Okay, so then I showed you you couldn't really see this because it was inside before, but you can see how this is all rusty in here, more rusty on this one. It's just old grease for years. And then what I found out is someone had put some grease in there at one time. It has some black grease, but it also has some like a yellow color grease, and that's the grease that comes in there from Honda. And I don't know if we can see it. Probably can't. I think maybe you see it there. But what I'll do is I'll pull some out of there for you. Make it so you can see it here. Now, of course, I won't be able to do it. Let me try the other side and see if I can get anything out of that. Okay, so what that is that's that kind of yellow look, and I wish we could get a better view, but there's just not that. There's enough of it in the back of it there to build up inside there. And so what happens when the pin tries to go all the way in with this bushing on it, it's got that extra grease in the back of it, keeping it out some all the time too. So I developed this little tool. I just had an air blower piece, and I warmed it up a little bit, and I took a wrench as I warmed it, and I bent this end. So if you're working on the car and you don't have this off like I have on the bench here, you can just put some air in there, and you just take some brake cleaner and you blow it inside the hole, clean it, and then you take the air and put it inside there and clean it, and you do that about 3 times before it actually starts to get clean. And that's how you clean those. So then I actually take a mirror, or I'll look behind there if I can see, and I'll make sure all the old grease is out, and then I'll use this CRC makes a good synthetic brake grease. Stay Lube makes another one. I think that's a Stay Lube one that you put inside there when you put it back together. So that just gives you a little more. There's a few haters out there that think it's all made up. So this is a true factual story, and you can see the before and after within about 15 or 20 minutes of the time I made the other video. So everybody have a great day. Thank you very much.